everyone. Happy Notre Dame Day. Go Irish. I am super excited to share my new experiment with you all. I just did this a couple weeks ago on the Today Show. It went really well, so I wanted to share it with my South Bend community as well. So what I've got for you is a confetti cannon, but I did not want to use confetti in my brand new beautiful Notre Dame STEM studio, so we're actually going to cheat and use pom-poms instead. So shout out to my husband because he helped build this. Love you, Josh. Thank you so much for your help. What you need for this is you have a 2-liter soda bottle. Then you're going to take a 3/4 inch PVC valve. You don't want the treads on here. We made that mistake the first time, so make sure you have the nice and smooth version. So what you're going to do then is take a fill valve, drill a hole here in your PVC valve, put it in there, hot glue, hot glue, hot glue. Then you're going to take the soda bottle and glue it to the bottom, okay? You're going to have to kind of like wedge it in there a little bit, so don't be afraid to use a little force, but then you definitely want to use as much glue as you possibly can because you don't want this moving. All right, so then what we do is we take a PVC pipe, okay, about again, same what is that, diameter, so 3/4 inch, and then I'm going to fill it with these pom-poms, so I put some in there because I thought that would be horribly boring for you to watch me do that on camera, but let me top it off here, put some bright, colorful ones in. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I'm not using confetti in the studio, that would be such a mess. Okay, so we've got this here. Then what we're going to do is take an air compressor, basically a bike pump, and we're going to fill the soda bottle up to 20 psi. Again, I did this before we went live because you do not want to watch me do this for a full minute. So let me just top it off really quickly. 1 and 2. All right, so you can see from the top we're right at about 20 psi. So I'm going to take this out of here. Then we're going to put the PVC pipe in. And here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Amazing! Go Irish! Stay tuned for more Notre Dame Day.